Good day everyone. In this video, we will learn how to subtract rational algebraic expressions with the same denominator. So now let's have an example. Number 1, 3 over y minus 2 over y. So kung titingnan natin yung example, pareha sila ng denominator. So ang gagawin natin, copy lang natin yung variable y. Then sa numerator, we will subtract 3 minus 2. And 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So for the final answer, we have 1 over y. Number 2, 10 over 3a minus 4 over 3a. So copy lang natin yung denominator, 3a. Sa taas, 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So we have 6 over 3a. At dito makikita natin, pwedeng i-cancel yung 6 at 3. So yung 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. So ibig sabihin, pwede natin silang i-divide parehas by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So for the final answer, we have 2 over a. So kahit hindi na natin isulat yung 1, kasi nga, meron naman tayong variable a. Pero kung ang sagot nyo naman ay 2 over 1a, tama pa rin yun. Number 3, 3x plus 2 over x plus 2 minus 2x over x plus 2. So copy yung denominator na x plus 2. Then sa taas, we have 3x plus 2 minus 2x. So in this case po, pag may nakita tayong similar terms, pwede naman nating i-rearrange para hindi tayo malito. Katulad nito, ni-rearrange natin. So we have 3x minus 2x plus 2. And then, itong dalawang to, 3x minus 2x, that's equal to 1x. So yung plus 2, copy lang. So we have x plus 2 over x plus 2. Now, when we look at our numerator and denominator, parehas sila. So pwede nating i-cancel. And that's equal to 1. Number 4, 3a plus 5 over a plus 2 minus a plus 3 over a plus 2. Copy muna yung denominator. Then yung 3a plus 5 minus. So ganito, no? Pag meron tayong group or more than one term sa ating subtrahend, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. So ngayon, kung mapapansin natin, minus the quantity of a plus 3. So what will happen? Yung subtrahend natin, we will change the sign. So yung a becomes minus a, yung plus 3 becomes minus 3. Or, ganito lang ang isipin ninyo. If we have minus times the quantity of a plus 3, isipin nyo yung rules na kapag nag-multiply ng sign numbers. Kumbaga, positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Kapag unlike signs, automatically the sign of the product will be negative. So in this case, so yung negative, multiply natin sa positive a, that becomes negative a. Another, negative times positive 3, that becomes negative 3. Okay? So parang ganun lang, no? So next, rearrange natin. So we have 3a minus a plus 5 minus 3 over a plus 2. So dito yung 3a minus a, that's equal to 2a. Then 5 minus 3, that's equal to 2. So for the final answer, we have 2a plus 2 over a plus 2. At dyan na muna natin tatapusin ang ating video. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, huwag kalimutan i-click ang like. At kung gusto mo pa makapanood ng ganitong klaseng video, huwag kalimutan i-click ang follow. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.